Hello everyone, I am Neetu Chaudhary. Today I would like to address students, especially those who are graduating this year and looking forward to start their professional life. I can understand that what kind of anxiety or the stress they must be going through, that what is ahead, what is next. I can correlate with this situation because many years ago when I completed my masters in 2002, the companies did not come for the campus recruitment because of 9/11 attack, and I went into some kind of depression, and I know that doesn't add value at all. So I can correlate that how the student must be feeling right now. Now, based on my years of experience after that, I want to share that what adds value and what doesn't add value. So first thing I would like to say, which is very important, is that this is not the end of the world. Situation will definitely improve, and it is improving. If we see the news and if we see the data, we will see that situation is improving. So don't worry about it. The second thing which I would like to emphasize is there are always you have, whenever we are in any situation, there are two things. One is things which are out of our control and one which is in our control. So what is out of our control? We are not in the government, so we don't have the decision making authority of the lockdown or no lockdown, so we have to accept whether whatever it is. Are we the medical staff, or the, like, can we provide some treatment? No, we cannot provide it. So that is out of our control. The whole pandemic, the economic situation is somewhat out of our control. So there is no point in panicking about it and thinking about it. Now let's focus on what is in our control. There are few things which are in our control, and if we enhance those things, then we can prepare ourselves for what is coming next. So the first thing I would like to say is the mental health. Mental health, keep positive, think positive, don't get into depression. If any of your friends is getting into depression, please identify, talk to them, help them to come out of it. Do meditation, do sports, do watch positive video, whatever makes sense to you and whatever suits to your personality. Do that, but please do take care of mental health. The second most important thing which is in our control is enhancing skill. Right now, physically we are isolated due to the lockdown, but enhancing skills is still possible because through the internet we are connected to the whole world, and lot of free courses are available, and lot of even the paid courses are giving good discount. So enhance your skills, especially to your specific area of interest, area of the graduation which you have done. Enhance your skills and prepare yourself for it. The third thing which can be done is a certification. Now, two different things are there. Enhancing a skill is one thing, you know about it. The certification is that some authority is certifying that you are skilled, you're proficient into those skills. So these are two separate things. So try to do some certifications in your professional area. The fourth thing that can be done is build your network. Use any social media which is related to your area of expertise or area of work. Like if you any social media, it's a LinkedIn or it's a Instagram or it's a Twitter, whatever it is, build your network, go through add experts in your field, go through their profile, see what certifications they have done, what skills do they have, and map it with your skills and see, can I enhance those skills? That person has done these certification, can I do those certifications? Prepare yourself in these months. This is kind of a hibernation period. You're restoring all your energy, you're restoring all your skills, you're enhancing your skills and preparing yourself for what will come after few months, 6 months or 1 year down the line. So focus on the things which are in our control. We have discussed 4 things. I'll reiterate it. The first thing is the mental health. The second thing is enhancing skills. The third thing is getting certifications done, as many certification as possible specific to your area. And the fourth thing is building the network. So right now students can focus on these 4 things and prepare themselves for like the next opportunity which is coming in their career. Hope it helps parents and students, and hope it has added value to you. Thank you so much.